Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set custom photo on keyboard on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the keyboard on your smartphone and tap on the settings icon on your keyboard. Now just tap on theme. Now from here, just tap on the plus icon from here. Now just select any image which you want to set on your keyboard. Now from here, just select the part of the image which you want to set on your keyboard. Just like that. Now just tap on next. Now just tap on done. Now from here, if you disable this option, the borders on the keys on your keyboard will disappear. Just like that. I will disable this option. Now just tap on apply. Now if you go back, now as you can see we have successfully applied an image on our keyboard. And this is how you can set custom photos on keyboard on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.